The Freehand Path tool is another tool that we can use to create lines or shapes for cutting or drawing on our scan and cut machines. I will just clear down the workspace and zoom in a little. The Freehand Path tool is located next to the other path tool that we saw in the previous lecture, so it's here, indicated by the pencil and the squiggly line. Activate it by moving your cursor over it and clicking, or pressing the Q key on your keyboard. Click and hold and then drag it out. You can form various line configurations with this, and it's all about how you move your mouse. The Freehand Path tool is most likely better if used as a drawing line. So remember, we can set that in the Properties dialog box. If you wish to create closed shapes using the Freehand Path tool, you will need to practice getting the two ends as close together as possible, and then use the path editing tools that we will use in the next lecture.